JetBlue 874, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 3000.
Pilot's discretion at 3000, and now this speed, our discretion also.
JetBlue 874, affirmative.
Descend at 3000, speed, our discretion, JetBlue 874.
JetBlue 874, how do you read?
Read you loud and clear, JetBlue 874.
Okay, thank you.
Newark departure, good morning, Mountain 8305, 900, climbing the Newark 5.
Mountain 8305.
You were blocked. Departure, Mountain 8305, you were blocked.
5, turn left heading 330, climb and maintain 4000, how do you read?
330 and up to 4000, loud clear now, 8305.
Mountain 8305, turn left direct to BWI.
Left to BWI, 8305, thanks.
Departure FedEx 199, 1.5, climbing 3000.
FedEx 1989, Newark departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 5000.
5000, FedEx 1989.
FedEx 1989, I hand you off here. Our scopes just went black again. If you care about this, contact your airline and try to get some pressure for them to fix this stuff. New York departure now, 120.8.
120.8, sorry to hear about that. FedEx 1989, switching, good luck guys.
Flight 651, we just had another brief radar outage, so just in case that happens again, for your purposes, if you can't reach me, just stay at or above 3000 until you're passing Morristown, and then you can just clear for the approach from there. Yeah, let's hope. Flight 651, we made it. Contact Teterboro Tower now, 119.5. Have a good night.
Or Teterboro 651, good night.